people, this is developer Hyder with another interesting topic. What are microservices? There are a lot of videos covering this topic, but let us take this example from a perspective of scalability and from a perspective of through an example. Let us understand that through an example, a typical e-commerce website. Things that you'd observe in a typical e-commerce website is images, login, sign up, shopping items, etc, etc. So that is how your a typical e-commerce website would look like. Now, a monolith approach to this application would be to have your all your code base so in one place. That is it can be a server. So you type in the URL, your browser sends a request to the server, and the server responds gracefully back to your browser. Everything works peacefully. You have one user, 10 users, 1000 users, everything seems to be peaceful, and you are quite enjoying your business. Now, yeah, after 10,000 users, after 20,000 users, your performance slightly decreases. And then after 1,000 users, 100,000 users, your performance even decreases even more. Now you consult someone regarding this issue. That someone tells you to clone your instances. Now the problem is, what you're doing here is you are sending all your requests. Like for example, the scalability that we are talking of, even though your login and sign up requests are not much, you are yet using all the yet you are using the same code base in order to respond to all of things. So this is quite inefficient. The reason being, one code base handles everything for you. Things are tightly coupled. Things get when in software development, when things get tightly coupled, it's very difficult to maintain and and develop and upgrade any feature. Now what what we could have done is we could have microservices. We could have microservices to the rescue. Any typical microservice based architecture, what you'd observe is every feature would have its own microservice. Now, considering the login part in this particular website, we can have an independent microservice for login, shopping items, and and other features. Now, what I observe in the initial days is there is a lot of requests concerning logging in and sign up. You are having a lot of a lot of people who are signing up to your website. So what you do is you scale up only that particular microservice concerning the logging in and sign up. So tomorrow what I observed is a lot many people are interested in into just browsing the shopping items. So what I do is I just scale up the microservices concerning the shopping items. Tomorrow what I observed is there are not many people who are interested in signing in and logging in. So what I do is I scale down that particular instance. In this way, I'm making sure that I have something which does not compromise on user experience, and at the same time the performance is not affected. Now this system is loosely coupled. On contrast, when we used to work with the monolith, when you had something to change, what you had to do is you had to make sure that your entire code base had to reflect that particular change. Whereas in this microservice based architecture, if I observe that there was an error or a bug in logging in and sign up feature, what I can do is I can replace that microservice concerning with logging in and sign up. The rest of the features will be running and will be healthy. Now in this way, the microservice based architecture is very loosely coupled, which gives us an advantage of updating, upgrading, and even testing those modules. The microservice based architecture was extremely successful. The reason being, because of the cloud providers like Amazon, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud, which provided a flexible infrastructure for everyone to work on. So guys, that is all about the microservices. I hope I was able to explain all of those things. Now I'll be making more and more videos on Spring Boot and how to build microservices in Java. So guys, stay tuned and thank you for watching.